What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about MicroStrategy. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content. The split has happened. We're talking about this one for Cal. Quite the week last week, dropped 6.5%, had the split go on and everything. Moving down into the split, which I'm pretty sure is what I called for, if I remember correctly. Because that makes sense. But man, things were looking bullish here, right? Things are actually looking pretty damn bullish here. But it just makes sense. Stuff like this always seems to throw things off. But I don't think the split is what caused this drop, just coincidentally, right? Maybe coincidentally. It happened with that Nikkei, the Japanese stuff, Japanese stock market. Anyways, we're at the 135.37 mark on the price. I do think that MicroStrategy is going to move up. I do think that that was its low. You're in a horizontal channel is what this is called. And you're at the bottom side of it, or at least you were, and now you're back up above it. Likely your next targets minimum at a minimum would be 240, 241 to 305. I do think this split has made this stock a lot more affordable to the average investor across the world, not just in America. $135 is a lot more attainable for somebody to get a slice of than $1,350 is, right? And maybe people could afford that, but maybe they'd want to put all that thousand into something else, not just into one thing. Maybe they'd like to split it across multiple cryptos. Well, now they can, because they can only take 135 out and put it in this. I think it will add speculative interests to this thing, and that could help when it is achieving new prices, right? That absolutely could help. Minimum target 240, 305. Next area to look for. Absolutely, it can go higher. Absolutely, it could go lower. But these are just my thoughts. So I got nothing else to say. I like the weekly RSI. I don't mind the daily. It doesn't look good, to be fair, but with the recovery you had, I think that you're fine. And you're at the areas that you bounced at the last few times, right? Didn't get oversold here or here or here or here or here. So I don't know. I don't see why you would now, but I certainly don't think you're going to break out of this channel to the downside. Finding a double bottom, a quite literal double bottom in this horizontal channel at your previous all-time highs. It's a very bullish thing in my opinion, especially with both reactions, both positive reactions you had both times. Right off the 50 here, I mean, sky's the limit, man. Any week now. Probably this week, this month of August. If not, sometime in September, you're going to see prices above $240, right? That's the minimum target, 240. Yeah, minimum. 240 and 84 cents. You're at 135 now. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you all for being here. See you on the next ones. Bye-bye.